In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and full setup of your HP DeskJet 2942 all-in-one printer. If we look here, we can see the leaflets, all the paperwork. In this box, we will find the HP cartridges and the power cable. We need these for the setup process. Inside we have the printer, so remove this, open this door from here, and then it will open the door behind, and just take it out. This printer comes with the instruction manuals, setup in cartridges, 2 packages, black and color, and a power cable. So let's start the setup process. Connect the printer with the cable at the back side. So that goes here. Wait for the printer to start. Open the front chamber to install the setup ink cartridges, and then open the ink chamber door, press it down. The ink chamber will move and come into the middle. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove this orange seal. This printer uses HP Ink 68. So let's open the color ink cartridge, remove the orange seal, place the color ink cartridge first. It will go on the number 1 position. Place it here, slide it in, hold the printer with the other hand and then push it in. You will hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Close this chamber. Next is to load the paper. Open this, move it to this side, lift this up and place the pages here. So letter size or plain paper. Wait for the printer. It will print the alignment page. So we have to scan this page. Open the lid, remove this protective plastic covering, place the page here facing down. It should be on this corner like this, and then click on the copy button. You can click on the color button. So this will do the alignment. Wait for the alignment to finish. Alignment is done. Now we can just take this page out. Next step is to do the wireless setup. That means connecting this printer with the home Wi-Fi network for wireless printing and scanning. You can connect it using a smartphone, MacBook or laptop. You need to download the HP app. Go to your smartphone and open the App Store and download the HP app. You just have to type in HP and you will see this is the app here. Download this app and then open it. In the app we have to add the printer. Click on the plus button on the top. Select the first option, set up a new printer. If you don't have a home Wi-Fi network, even then you can use this printer. For that you need to do the Wi-Fi Direct setup, and if you want to know how to do that, I will show you that in the video. First we will complete the Wi-Fi setup. Select it, click yes, Make sure your smartphone is already connected to the home Wi-Fi network, so it will connect to the same Wi-Fi. it will display the internet router name or wireless name. Click next. In case it asks you to enter the password, you can enter the Wi-Fi password. It will display your network name. Click OK. It will continue the setup process. On the next screen, it will ask you to press and release the flashing information button on your printer. That's the I button. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click continue. Continue. For printer privacy, you can click on the accept all, or you can click on the decline optional data. If you have a HP account, you can sign in or you can create an account. You can use the app without account, so you can click on the skip account activation. You can also enable the ink delivery, and if you want, you can skip it. Click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip the offer. You will get the option in the app. You can just select it there later on. We have already done the alignment, so click on the skip alignment. For updates, you can go for the auto updates or notify when available. So it just depends upon the choice, and then click on the save. You can print the welcome page or you can skip it. Click continue. On this page, we can see our printer is available with estimated level of ink. We can start using it for wireless printing and scanning using the app. If you don't have a home Wi-Fi network, then you have to connect your printer using the Wi-Fi Direct. For that, we have to first activate the Wi-Fi Direct, print its password, and then we will connect with your smartphone. Go to the printer control panel. Look for the Wi-Fi Direct icon. Usually that icon is on the tricolor ink cartridge icon. To activate it, press the wireless button once. It will switch off the Wi-Fi and activate the printer's Wi-Fi Direct. That's the icon. To print the password, press the information button once. So printer will print the printer information page. On this page, look for the Wi-Fi Direct and look for its name of the printer's Wi-Fi, and there is a password written below. That's the printer's password. Now go to your smartphone, download HP app. You can download it from the App Store, and then go to the Wi-Fi setting of your smartphone. In the Wi-Fi setting, you will see your printer's name, HP DeskJet 2900. Select it. Enter the password as printed on the page. This will be different for each printer. So we are just connected with the printer. Now go to your HP app. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option, choose an available printer. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Instantly it will add up the printer, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So here we can see the printer, all the details like scanning, printing. For example, to do a scan, we can open the lid, place the page facing down on this corner, and click on the scan icon. So it will start the scanning. So printer will work directly with your smartphone. In case you have the home Wi-Fi network, then you can use the first method that I described in the video. That is the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. So that's the full setup of the printer. Hopefully this will help you to set up your printer quickly. Thanks for watching.